Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 7.2 and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. So the device in front of me, as you can see, is already locked and I have two ways of getting past it. Number one is the pattern and then the other one is the account. So assuming we don't know either of them, let's go back to the first page, and from here we're going to change the language. And you want to change it to any kind of language that uses a different keyboard. So for instance, Greek is good enough. It has different keyboards, so that will work. And once you change it, you just want to progress again through it. And once you get to the point where you can actually start typing, so right here where we have the verification screen, you want to tap on it and tap on the globe, or actually hold it. And this opens up the keyboard layout. So we have right now the Greek one, and then we have the QWERTY. So let's change it to QWERTY, then hold the globe again, and then choose the last option for the settings. Top right here at the bottom, the blue text for settings, and then we're gonna go into, let's see, I think it's the first option. Tap right here to add this, then again tap right over here, choose a second option right now, pass the line, you can add, and leave by going straight back to the beginning and changing the language back to English. And once more we're going to progress through this. And again tap on the field here, and let's hold the globe and go to language settings now. Again tap on that keyboard, and this time around scroll down till you see any kind of arrow like this. So when you tap on it, it gives you different keyboard layouts right here, and you have the three dots. Tap on it, go into help and feedback, and then in a search for help and feedback you want to type in Morse code. So go use Morse code. Tap the video to start playing it, and tap on the three dots and choose watch later, and this will open up the browser. And accept and continue, no thanks. And then on the top you want to navigate into HardReset.Info. From here tap the menu button right here with the three bars, choose the download category, and in the search bar for the download you're going to be looking for Android 7.1.2. Let's search, and there should be only one result. So tap on the download button right here, scroll down, and this time around you want to hold this and choose open in incognito tab. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and we'll start downloading. Give it a moment. Once it's finished, we will have, instead of the detail option, it's going to be open. There we go. So let's open that up, and before we can install it we need to grant access to it, so Chrome is able to do so. So settings and enable this, go back and install. Tap on open, it will crash, cool, close up, and then we're going back to the search bar, and this time around we're gonna search for settings. And again, only one result, settings, download, scroll down, same thing, hold it, open in incognito tab, OK, open, and install. And again, open it up once it's installed, OK. And from here, we should be now in the settings. So we're going to be looking for apps and notifications right here, then see all 30 apps. Tap on three bars right here, three dots, and go to show system. Oops. And from here navigate down to G. There we go. And we're looking for Google Play Services, so it's right here at Play Store, and you want to disable both of them. And again, disable this as well, and go back. As you can see now, they're both disabled. Under here, disabled and disabled. And then go back to the main settings page right here. Scroll down to Accounts, Add Account, choose Google. Give it a moment for it to load. And in the field, you want to type in whatever your account is. If you don't have one, you can always create it. Although I would advise it to do it on your computer, even though you should be able to do it from here. It's going to be just easier. Now, I don't have to create one, I already have it, and that's what I'm going to use to log in here. Let's tap on Next, and I'm going to put in the password. And again, Next to log in, and there we go. So let's agree. And now let's go back and re-enable the Google services. And there it is, Play Services, enable, and Google Play Store, enable, hold power key, restart. And again, let's go through the setup process of the device. Now the key difference right now will be the fact that it's going to show us that we have added an account, and it should provide us with the account that we have added right before the restart of the device. So this will in terms bypass the verification page. But we still need to perform a reset of the device just to remove the leftovers. So you can see right here, account added. And the app will be now crashing. It has done its thing, so it doesn't really matter. So whenever it pops up that it crashed, just say close it or disregard it, whatever. It doesn't really matter. And at this moment, skip most of this setup right here as much as you can. It doesn't really matter what we set up. We're still gonna, like I said, perform a reset of the device. So everything will be, again, back to just being done. Okay, as you can see, we're now on the home screen, so let's go into the settings. Scroll all the way down to System, Advanced, Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. And you can see right now it provides you with information what to remove. That will include your Google account, which is the one that we have added, but it also includes the account that was previously blocking us, and also apps and data. So it will also remove the app that is right now crashing. I mean, it's not needed anymore, it has done its purpose, so it doesn't matter. Then tap on delete all data, and simply wait for the process to finish. And as you can see, reset is finished, so we can now again set up the device. And this time around you can set it up as however you like. It should be fully unlocked, so let's choose English. Now once more I'm gonna skip through most of this, but you can set it up, add all the passwords and protections as you like. And as you can see, there's a skip option now, which if the device would still be locked, the skip wouldn't be there. So I just skip the connecting to Wi-Fi. Doesn't really matter for what I'm doing right now. And there we go. As you can see, there was no verification of any sort. The device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.